This is the training video for learning about how to use the advanced features of the app. We will be discussing the following items: deleting and duplicating antenna surveys, deleting or exporting site information, importing site information, key point review. There are times when you may have to perform repeat surveys of the same antenna. There are also times when you may want to duplicate an antenna profile so that you can do a before and after survey that day. To bring up the antenna file menu, left swipe the desired antenna if it is an iOS system, or press and hold the antenna file for Android. If you choose to delete an antenna file, the app will ask you to confirm the deletion. If you wish to duplicate an antenna file, select More for an iOS operating system and then Duplicate. The duplicate file will appear with no measurement data in place of the date that the original antenna survey was verified. This new file is now ready to be used for another alignment. You could also use Duplicate to quickly replicate the first survey of the site and then adjust the sector, position, target data, and serial numbers accordingly. The site information, including all antennas, is stored in the form of a CSV file. If you have been practicing with fake site names or you have exported a site file off your phone into a secure location, you may wish to delete that site. In addition to providing a closeout report, your customer may also require the raw data file for a site in order to be uploaded into their database. To bring up the Site File menu, left swipe the desired site file if it is an iOS system and press and hold the site file for Android, similarly to the Antenna File menu. If you choose to delete a site file, the app will ask you to confirm the deletion. If you wish to export a site file, select More for an iOS operating system, and then Export Site, and you'll be transferred to the email utility with the site file already attached, ready for emailing to your desired address. The most efficient way to use the app to align antennas is to utilize the Site Information Import function. This allows you to create all your antenna information in a spreadsheet and then email it to the phone, where it automatically creates the site and all antenna profiles ready to be surveyed. The first step is to create a blank spreadsheet that can be used as a template for all new site imports. For example, create a site named Test. Now export it to any computer, whether it is your laptop or a computer at your office. The file name will be test_datetime.csv. On the computer, transfer the blank site file to a safe location so it can always be used to generate a new site file. Then click the file and it will open right into Excel. Now, you can start entering the data into the fields. If an azimuth survey tolerance is required, then enter it into the azimuth tolerance field. Using the file import utility is the only way to actually specify an azimuth survey tolerance. When used, the system will warn the user if the alignment is outside of the azimuth tolerance at the time of verification. When all the fields are correctly entered, save the file to the desired site name, but maintain the CSV format by using the Save As Other Format selection. Then email that file back to the smartphone. When you receive the email with the CSV site file attachment, simply press and hold the file until the system asks you if you want to open the file with the Smart Aligner app. When you confirm, you'll be automatically transferred into the app and the site will automatically be created with each antenna ready for surveying. But you may still need to enter the serial number of the antenna if not known beforehand. The Site Import utility not only saves time in the field, but also reduces the chances of data entry error. Key point review. Antenna files or site files cannot be deleted without a confirmation. Duplicating an antenna file is a quick way of creating all the antenna profiles for a site and then editing the differential information such as sector, position, azimuth, and serial number. Duplicating an antenna is also useful when doing a before and after survey for an audit. Use the Site Export utility to provide database-ready information to your customer. Also use the Site Export utility to send a blank template to the office for pre-population of site information. Email the site file back to the phone to be imported into the Smart Aligner app.